Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to kick someone off your Spotify account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Spotify website. You need to access your account settings, which is not available in the app. So you have to navigate to the Spotify website from the web browser. Once you're in the Spotify page, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to kick someone off your Spotify account, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Now select view account. Once you're in the account settings page, scroll down and under the security and privacy section, you can see this change password option. Tap on it. You can change your password of your account. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Once you change your password, go back and again at the security and privacy section, at the bottom, you can see the sign out everywhere option. You can tap on it and sign out from your account from all devices. This will kick everyone off if there are any unauthorized person accessing your Spotify account. And you can re-log into your account and use it safely. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.